Hello dear viewers, welcome to Dhaka Bangladesh Hammad Travels and Tourism. Hovering above the hustle and bustle of Dhaka, we begin our journey. As we glide over the city, we reveal a metropolis that's a melting pot of culture, history and diversity. Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh, is a city that is always alive, always moving, and always filled with energy. This city, known as the City of Mosques, is steeped in rich history. The echoes of its past reverberate through the vibrant streets, ancient architecture, and the stories of the people who call it home. From the Mughal Empire to the British Raj and then to its independence in 1971, Dhaka has evolved into a city that holds the past and the present in a captivating balance. Dhaka's unique geography adds to its allure. Nestled on the banks of the Buriganga River, the city is a labyrinth of winding streets, bustling markets, and towering buildings. The river, the lifeblood of the city, is a testament to Dhaka's resilience and dynamism. It's a city that has grown and flourished against the odds, a testament to the spirit of its people. The culture of Dhaka is as diverse as its landscape. It's a tapestry woven with threads of different religions, languages, and traditions. From the call to prayer echoing from the mosques to the vibrant hues of the saris in the markets, from the tantalizing aroma of street food to the rhythmic beats of the local music, Dhaka is a sensory feast that leaves you wanting more. The city's energy is palpable, its atmosphere vibrant. It's a city that never sleeps, where every corner offers a new adventure, a new story, a new discovery. Dhaka is a city that invites exploration, that calls to the curious and the adventurous. From this bird's-eye view, Dhaka invites you to explore its depths and discover its secrets. It's a city that's more than just a destination, it's a journey, an experience, a story waiting to be told. So buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable voyage into the heart of Dhaka. Dive into the heart of Bangladesh, the city of Dhaka, pulsating with energy and life. This city, renowned for its vibrant culture and history, is a treasure trove of architectural magnificence that tells the tale of its rich past. Let's start our journey with the National Parliament House, the Jatiya Sangsad Bhavan. Designed by the world-renowned architect Louis Kahn, this monumental structure is more than a political hub. It's a symbol of the resilience and determination of the Bangladeshi people, a testament to their journey towards independence and democracy. Next we move on to the Dhakeshwari Temple, the goddess of Dhaka. This ancient sanctuary, nestled within the bustling city, holds the spiritual heartbeat of Dhaka. The temple's name itself, Dhakeshwari, means protector of Dhaka, embodying the city's soul and spirit. Here the air is thick with devotion, and the echoes of age-old rituals resonate with the city's deep-rooted cultural ethos. Our journey through Dhaka's architectural landscape would be incomplete without a visit to the Lal Bagh Fort. This incomplete 17th century Mughal fort complex stands as a silent witness to the city's turbulent history. Its majestic gateways, lush gardens, and intricate architectural details speak volumes about the grandeur of the Mughal era. The architectural styles of Dhaka are as diverse as its people. From the Indo-Saracenic style of the early 20th century to the modernist designs of Louis Kahn, each era has left its mark on the city's skyline. This architectural diversity reflects Dhaka's rich history, the evolution of its culture, and the aspirations of its people. These structures, standing tall and proud, are more than just bricks and mortar. They are the bearers of Dhaka's historical narrative, each telling its own unique story. They stand as a testament to Dhaka's rich past and dynamic present. Beyond the concrete and steel, Dhaka's true beauty lies in its cultural tapestry. This city is not just about its bustling roads and towering skyscrapers, it's also about the vibrant festivals, the rhythm of music, the grace of dance, and the flavorsome cuisine that truly encapsulate the spirit of Dhaka. Dhaka's festivals are a riot of color and joy. Pohela Boishakh, the Bengali New Year, is celebrated with grandeur, as people dressed in traditional attire partake in processions, music and dance. It's a sight to behold as the entire city comes alive with energy and enthusiasm. Then there's Durga Puja, a 5-day festival honoring the Hindu goddess Durga, filled with prayer, dance and music. The city's cultural diversity is displayed in its fullest during these festivals. Music and dance are the heartbeats of Dhaka's culture. The city reverberates with the sounds of traditional instruments like the tabla and harmonium, while dance forms like Kathak and Manipuri add grace and charm to the cultural scene. These art forms are not just entertainment. They're a way of life, a way to express joy, sorrow, and everything in between. The city's cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors and aromas. Dhaka's street food is a gastronomic adventure. From the spicy puchka to the sweet roshagola, every bite is a burst of flavor. The city's traditional dishes like hilsa fish and biryani are a testament to the culinary prowess of its people. Dhaka's cultural institutions like the Bangladesh National Museum and the Liberation War Museum play a crucial role in preserving and showcasing the city's rich cultural heritage. These museums are treasure troves of artifacts and exhibits that narrate the city's history, its struggles, and victories. Dhaka's culture is a vibrant palette of traditions, beliefs, and celebrations. It's a city where the old and the new coexist, where the mundane and the extraordinary blend seamlessly. Dhaka is more than just a city. It's a cultural experience that leaves an indelible mark on your soul. Experience Dhaka through your taste buds and immerse in the city's bustling bazaars. There's a certain thrill in navigating the labyrinthine lanes of Dhaka's bazaars, where the air teems with the scent of spices, freshly baked bread, and sizzling street delicacies. These bustling markets are the city's lifeblood, a place where locals mingle, haggle, and shop for everything from traditional textiles to exquisite handicrafts. Street food, in particular, holds a cherished place in Dhaka's cultural tapestry. The city's streets come alive with vendors selling a smorgasbord of tantalizing treats. From the spicy tang of puchka, a popular street snack, to the sweet, creamy indulgence of misti doi, a traditional dessert, Dhaka's street food is a culinary adventure waiting to be savored. Stepping into these markets is like stepping into a world of sensory delight. The vibrant colors of fruits and vegetables, the raucous calls of vendors, the rhythmic cadence of bargaining. It's a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that's uniquely Dhaka. Every corner of the city has its own flavor. The old part of the city, for instance, is known for its traditional sweet shops, where generations-old recipes are still meticulously followed. Moving towards the modern parts, you'll find a fusion of flavors, where global cuisines meet local taste buds. And then there are the spice markets, a veritable treasure trove for any food enthusiast. Here, you'll find mounds of colorful spices, each with its own unique aroma and flavor. From the fiery red of chili powder to the earthy tones of cumin and coriander, these markets are a testament to Dhaka's rich culinary heritage. But it's not just about the food. These bazaars are also a social hub, a place where locals come to catch up on the latest news, share a laugh, or simply enjoy a cup of cha, the local tea. It's a place where community thrives, where the pace of life slows down, if only for a little while. The flavors of Dhaka are as diverse and vibrant as the city itself. In the midst of urban chaos, Dhaka offers serene green spaces for a breath of fresh air. Picture this, a sprawling metropolis of over 20 million inhabitants, where the ceaseless hustle and bustle can make your head spin. Yet, within this labyrinth of concrete and commotion, there exist havens of tranquility, where the city's heart seems to beat a little slower, a little softer. One such oasis is Ramna Park. This century-old garden is Dhaka's green heart, a verdant expanse that spans over 68 acres. Ramna Park isn't just a park, it's a living, breathing piece of Dhaka's history. Here you'll find locals practicing yoga at dawn, children chasing butterflies under the midday sun, and couples strolling hand in hand as the sun dips below the horizon. It's a place of solace, of community, of life. Then there's the National Botanical Garden, a horticultural wonderland that sprawls over 205 acres. Here, you'll find over 1,000 species of local and foreign plants, a testament to Bangladesh's rich biodiversity. It's not just a garden, but a living museum that showcases the country's natural heritage. From the towering trees to the tiniest of flowers, each plant tells a story, each leaf whispers a secret. These parks and gardens aren't just recreational spaces, they're the city's green lungs, breathing life into Dhaka's urban fabric. They offer a respite from the city's relentless pace, a place to pause, to breathe, to simply be. For the locals, they're a cherished part of their daily routine, a chance to reconnect with nature amidst the urban sprawl. For tourists, they offer a unique glimpse into Dhaka's soul, a chance to experience the city beyond its skyscrapers and traffic jams. As you explore Dhaka, remember to step off the beaten path and venture into these green sanctuaries. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or simply seeking a moment of peace, you'll find it here, amidst the lush greenery and tranquil silence. These green lungs provide a refreshing escape from the city's relentless pace. As the sun sets, Dhaka transforms into a city of lights, ready to charm its nocturnal explorers. The effervescence of the day gives way to a different kind of energy, a nocturnal rhythm that is just as lively, if not more so. Here in Dhaka, the day's end is not a signal to retreat, but an invitation to experience a different side of the city's vibrant life. Stroll through bustling night markets where the glow of 1,000 twinkling lights illuminates a cornucopia of goods. From rich brocades and traditional handicrafts to the latest gadgets and gizmos, these markets are a shopper's paradise that thrives long after the sun has set. The air is filled with the scent of spices and the sizzle of street food stalls that serve mouth-watering local delicacies late into the night. Delight your taste buds with jal muri, a popular street food made from puffed rice, or savor the sweet taste of mishti doi, a traditional Bengali dessert. Food, after all, is an integral part of Dhaka's nightlife, and these late-night eateries are where you'll find some of the most authentic flavors of Bangladesh. But Dhaka's nightlife isn't just about shopping and food. The city also boasts a rich array of cultural performances that come alive under the starlit sky. Traditional music concerts, dance performances, and theater shows offer captivating glimpses into the country's diverse artistic heritage. These performances, held in the open air, are a testament to Dhaka's thriving cultural scene. And if safety is a concern, rest assured, Dhaka takes the safety of its visitors seriously. With well-lit streets, vigilant law enforcement, and a community that's always ready to lend a helping hand, exploring Dhaka after dark is as safe as it is exciting. Dhaka at night is a different world, radiating a different kind of energy. It's a city that truly never sleeps, where the hustle and bustle of the day gives way to the charm and allure of the night. So, when the sun sets, get ready to explore Dhaka in a whole new light. Every corner of Dhaka has a story to tell, and this journey has merely scratched the surface. Let's take a moment to look back on our journey through Dhaka, a city that's as vibrant and diverse as the stories it holds. It's like a storybook that never ends, with each page revealing a different chapter of its rich history and culture. We've soared over the city, taking in the breathtaking aerial views. We've navigated through the bustling streets where the heart of Dhaka truly beats. We've witnessed the cultural tapestry that weaves together a nation, from the mesmerizing performances of traditional dance and music to the compelling art and architecture that reflect the city's historical grandeur. We've indulged in the mouth-watering street food, a culinary journey in itself, and explored the bustling bazaars, where every item tells a tale. We've strolled through the serene parks and gardens, pockets of tranquility amidst the urban hustle. And we've experienced the city that never sleeps, where the energy is palpable and the rhythm of life is relentless. Through it all, we've seen how Dhaka is a city of contrasts, where tradition and modernity coexist, and the old and new intertwine seamlessly. But more than its sights and sounds, it's the city's welcoming nature that truly stands out. Dhaka is a city that invites you in, that shares its stories, and leaves a lasting imprint on your heart. It's a city that's always evolving, always moving, yet firmly rooted in its rich history and traditions. So if you're a traveler with a penchant for stories, for journeys that go beyond the typical tourist trail, then Dhaka is a city waiting to be discovered. It's a city that invites you to become a part of its story, to immerse yourself in its culture, to taste its flavors, and to experience its rhythm. Dhaka, a city of stories, awaits your visit to uncover its many tales.